A hard reset restores your AirPods Pro 3rd generation to their factory settings, resolving pairing issues, audio glitches, and other software conflicts. First, ensure your AirPods are in their charging case with the lid open. Locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold this button until the status light inside the case flashes amber, then changes to white, approximately 15 seconds. This indicates the reset is complete. Close the case lid, wait 30 seconds, then reopen it. Your AirPods Pro 3 are now ready to be repaired with your Apple device. After a successful hard reset, your AirPods Pro 3 will appear as a new device in your iOS or iPadOS Bluetooth settings. Bring the open case near your device and follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect. If pairing fails, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and try the reset process again. Also note that the hard reset clears all personalized settings like custom EQ and noise control preferences. Post-reset, these settings will need to be reconfigured. The LED indicator flashes amber during the reset process and white upon completion. If no flash occurs, it could point to a hardware problem requiring professional assistance.